Welcome friends! In this video you will learn how to use this dynamic meal planner and grocery shopping all-in-one checklist and dashboard. Let me walk you through how this template works. Step 1. Start with the Instructions tab, which includes the links to the other tabs in the correct sequence to ensure smooth navigation. From here, you will move on to the Food Dictionary tab, where you will customize the template to suit your needs or stick with the default. Step 2. Log your weekly meal plan menu in the weekly menu. For example, what we'll want to plan for Monday to Sunday for each breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Then select the meal code of the day, which will display the recipe name in the Dashboard tab. Step 3. Head over to the Shopping List tab. You will notice that the category and the ingredient list is auto-populated based on your weekly menu. If any category is missing, you can manually enter that. Then you will simply fill in the below details like quantity, unit priced, purchased, and the date purchased. Once you have done shopping for the current weekly menu, then select Clear All, which will reset the purchased column so that you are ready for next week planning. Step 3. Analyze your spending in the Dashboard tab, which gives you a detailed visual summary of your grocery spending. Here's what you'll find. Category-wise total spending, average price per category, top ingredients by quantity, monthly spend analysis, ranking unit price by category, percentage purchased versus not purchased. What's more, if you're curious about a specific month, you can simply select that month or category and the dashboard will adjust to show you the results for that criteria only. This template gives you a clear picture of your spending habits, making it easier to budget, plan, and even reduce waste. If you're interested in purchasing this template, please click the link in the description box below and please subscribe to my channel to learn how to build this template. Thank you so much for your time. Happy shopping!